Just 1 week to go. Land's End, here I come. I thought you might want to see some of the kit that I'm taking with me, so I've done a little video for that. So this is all my kit that I'm taking. In the way of clothing, I've got one spare t-shirt, one pair of socks, one pair of waterproof socks, one pair of walking socks spare, one thermal layer, one pair of very lightweight shorts, and a pair of boxer shorts. On the tech side, I've got my laptop, spare batteries, spare phone, and various other odds and ends. This is my water filter kit, so I don't have to carry too much water. My food bag, my sit mat, water bottle, head net, tripod, microphone, beanie hat, shoes for around camp, my mattress, my sleeping bag and my tent, my wash kit, puffy jacket to keep me warm and waterproof jacket to keep me dry. So this is the clothing I'm going to be wearing day to day. I've got my long sleeve shirt there, pink hat of course, walking boots from Altberg and great socks from Darn Tough, shorts and undies and trekking poles.